You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need investors. You don't even need a storefront. You just need a hustle and a sponge. Car detailing isn't just cleaning cars. It's turning a driveway into a business, and for some, into six figures. Whether you want to go mobile or open your own shop, here's how to start a car detailing business the right way. Step 1. Choose your model, mobile or brick and mortar. Mobile detailer, low startup cost, flexible hours. Go to clients, homes, offices, lots. You'll need a reliable vehicle and portable equipment. Brick and mortar shop, consistent location. Can take multiple cars a day. Scales faster with team, higher overhead. Rent, insurance, utilities. Start mobile if you're broke. Start with a shop if you've saved up or can fund it. Step 2. What you'll need to get started. Business license, darn local permits, insurance, general liability plus vehicle, business bank account, website or booking system, social media presence, a solid name, easy to remember, clean professional equipment, buckets, mitts, microfiber towels, foam cannon and hose, shop vac or wet dry vac, pressure washer, dual action polisher, all-purpose cleaner, tire shine, wax, interior sprays, extension cords, water tanks, if mobile, all in, around $500 to $2,500 depending on quality. Step 3. Get your first clients. Start with your circle, friends, family, neighbors. Offer first-time discounts for referrals. Partner with realtors, car dealers, local businesses. List on Google My Business, Yelp, and Facebook Marketplace, post before and after photos daily. Offer monthly maintenance plans for recurring income. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Clients don't want the best detailer. They want someone reliable who shows up. Step 4. Scale smart. Build a brand, not a hustle. Offer packages, bronze, silver, gold. Train someone once you're booked solid. Upsell services, ceramic coating, headlight restoration, engine bay cleaning. Collect reviews. Social proof is your currency. Automate bookings and payments. Freedom lives in systems. This business isn't easy. You'll sweat, you'll be tired, but every car is a step toward independence. You're not just washing a car, you're washing your way out. Learn, hustle, grow,